In this video, I am going to share with you what are the 10 best suitable tank mates for Apistogramma agassizi, agassizi dwarf cichlid. Before video start, I am requesting you, if you are new on this channel, so please subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell icon for more future videos. Now guys, let's begin video. First tank mates is Honey Gurami. Honey Gurami is ideal for inexperienced aquarists due to their peaceful nature and hardness. They are timid and shy specimen and may take a while to get comfortable in your tank. The honey gurame is the smallest size fish in gurame fish, usually reaching 1.5 inches for male and 2 inches for female. In rare occasions, they have been recorded as growing up to 3 inches, so small and colorful honey gurame is the best tank mate for Apistogramma agassizi. Second tank mates is Cardinal Tetra. Cardinal Tetra is a social fish from Saracidae family. They are sometimes referred to as a red neon tetra due to their similarity to the famous neon tetra. Cardinal tetra are colorful shoring species that love to be kept in group. The larger the group, the better they will swim together in the middle and upper level of the tank. They are much more confident when around others of their own kinds. If kept alone, they would become stressed and shy and also lose some color. They are easily bullied by aggressive fish as they are unable to defend themselves. So, peaceful fish like Cardinal tetra would be very good tank mates for Apistogramma agassizi. Third tank mates is Harlequin raspora. These small shoaling fish are easy to care, so you shouldn't have many problems. This makes them perfect for beginners starting a community aquarium. A small group adds some color and shoaling behavior to the middle level of the tank. They are peaceful, so get on well with other peaceful fish. So best peaceful and shoaling fish like Harlequin raspora is the best choice for Apistogramma agassizi. Four tank mates is Cory catfish. Cory catfish are very social creature, especially with other their kind. While Cory cat can survive alone, they seem much happier in a group or two or more. Two Cory cats of the same types will often stay close to one another as they move throughout the tank to feed. Cory catfish is a bottom dweller, so it's a good idea to keep at least 2 inches of aquarium gravel or substrate on the tank bottom. Cory catfish also seem to really enjoy a tank with lots of live plants. So peaceful and calm Corydoras catfish is the best tank mate for Apistogramma agassizi. Fifth tank mates is Otocinclus catfish. These fish are some of the best algae eaters around. It's their natural foods which makes them very easy to feed. They are great for beginners. They are peaceful creature and can be put in variety of freshwater community aquarium. Most of fish add to a tank for their appearance, but Otocinclus catfish have bonus purpose. They are great cleaning up algae. If algae is getting out of control in your tank, so this fish will work wonder and quickly graze the algae down. They are great for beginner, so peaceful fish like Otocinclus catfish is the best tank mates for Apistogramma agassizi. Sixth tank mates is Bristol nose pleco. The Bristol nose pleco is one of the most common aquarium plecos. People tend to choose the Bristol nose over the common pleco because of their smaller size and they are easier to keep. They spend most of their time at the bottom of the tank or sucking on the side of the glass. Bristol nose pleco are nocturnal fish and you should make sure there are plenty of hiding places for them to the rest during the day. Bristol nose pleco are peaceful species and will get along with most other peaceful community fish like Apistogramma agassizi. Seven tank mates is dwarf gurami. Almost like a drop of paint in your tank. These fish come in all colors of the rainbow. They are guaranteed to make your aquarium stand out as one of the most beautiful aquarium fish and definitely the most beautiful guramis. Dwarf guramis continue to rise in popularity. These are schooling fish and prefer to stick together when possible. That way they feel more comfortable and secure. Most of the time they can be found in the middle or top level of the tank. They can grow up to 4.5 inches, but on average most of them only reach at 3.5 inches. So smaller and colorful gourami fish is the best choice for Apistogramma agassiz. 8 tank is pencil fish. The name pencil fish is given to all of the species of freshwater fish belonging to the Nanostomus genus within the Labiacinidae family. These fish are named for their slender pencil-like shape, and they generally grow no more than 2 inches long. They are peaceful by nature, which makes them great addition to the community tank. Pencil fish will accept a wide varieties of food in the home aquarium, so prepare to feed them a varieties of high quality commercial foods as well as fresh and frozen foods. These fish enjoy brine shrimps and other small live foods as well as algae wafers and some fresh vegetation. So peaceful and easy to care fish like pencil fish is the best tank mates for Apistogramma agassiz. 9 tank mates is Coolie Loach. These loaches has a eel body shape and they are scavenger, making them great aquarium cleaner. The advantage of this loach over other is its size. It rarely grow over 3.5 inches in length and they don't create much waste. The Coolie Loach is a peaceful bottom dwelling fish. It is the water equivalent of an owl and will stay awake all night scavenging around the tank looking for foods. Its shy and peaceful temperament makes the Coolie Loach fish the perfect tank companions for Apistogramma agassiz. My 10 and last tank mates is rainbow fish. Rainbow fish are marvelous and exotic creatures due to their glimmering color changes. You won't tire of the spectacle of rainbow fish in your home aquarium. They are not known to aggressive, but they are social creatures who thrive in shoal of 6 or more. So colorful fish like rainbow fish is the very good tank mates for Apistogramma agassiz. So guys, these are the 10 most suitable tank mates for Apistogramma agassiz I shared in this video. So I hope you like and enjoy this video. Now it's time to come end this video. So guys, take care everyone and bye.